So you're going to put the new stem in, and this is what it looks like before you put it in, or even when you take it out, you got to lift these fingers up. So when you put them in, once it's down there, you just go around, push one all the way down. So once they're all down, you just center it. Just now, there's a little bit of sand in there. I want to get it centered. Now, if there's no sand, if it's brand new, then it should sit. I put a little bit of sand in there because I don't have anybody here to help me, so when I tape this all up, I don't have to have somebody holding it. I just have to very gently put the sand in so it's in place. It's not going to move. So once it's in the sand on the bottom, put a little bit of sand, and we're going to tape that up. So I don't have any duct tape, so I'm going to use a piece of the top I cut off for the sand. And I'm going to tape it up. I'm just going to stick it in there, make sure that's covered. And then I'm going to use electrical tape, that's what I have, to put it on. So that's what it looks like all taped up. Just make sure no sand goes down there, so it doesn't have to be fancy. After you put the first bag in, just make sure it's still centered. After you get the first bag, it should be okay to just start throwing them in there. Sure how many bags go in your filter. Should have this on the side, hopefully, and then just look for the media required pounds. So right there. So most bags are about, just check the bags that you have. So most bags are around 50 pounds, 4.5 bags. Yeah, there's 50 pounds right there. So it's 4.5. So I put 5 bags in. So it could have been 4.5, but it should be okay. Before we put the top dial on, I'm just going to grease this up really well. Now if it's really bad, you might want to take that off and then grease it up. This one's not too bad, so I'm just going to put grease on it. Now I'll link everything down below what grease you can use. So you just go around the whole thing. Now we're putting a new filter here, so I gotta watch that deck right there. So I think we're gonna put it right about there. And then you put the ring back on and just snug it up. Now if this leaks after, you just have to tweak it a bit.